Hello, I'm Terry and this is Blade Whisperer. Welcome back. So today we've got a product from Sencut. Now Sencut is labeled to be the budget brand of WE and Civivi. This one doesn't really have a name, it's just an item number of S21007-1. So we're going to be unboxing this and looking into the details and giving you a report on it. Okay, here we are over at the table, and here we have the box. Now I did get this product on Amazon. Right now it's going for $46.50 on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Got a nice pouch that it comes with, similar to the Civivi products that I've had before. And you open it up, you've got a cleaning cloth, user instructions, warranty information, sticker, I'll set this off to the side. And take this blade out of the package. Do have a reversible pocket clip. Their details say it is 9CR18 MOV steel on the blade. We've got a black micarta handle. Oh, that was pretty smooth. There is a skeletonized full liner. As I said, reversible pocket clip. It is smooth, as you noticed. Caged ball bearings. There is a hidden lanyard hole in the back. How's that go here? Oh, that just drops. Very nice. Yeah. Detent is there. It's not overly tight, but you can feel it, hear it. Now, why don't we get our sharpness tester out and see what this thing measures out of the box for sharpness here. Adjust our camera angle just a little bit so we'll be able to see everything. Get a fresh clip. I may have to move that back just a little bit. Okay. Zero it out. Line it up. And here we go. 176 out of the box. Let's give it one more chance. Zero it out. That one came out at 150. So very sharp, razor sharp out of the box. Now we're going to set this aside. Okay, so with a folding knife that I carry. I work a part-time job in retail. I open a lot of boxes. So I've always got a folding knife on me, no matter where I'm at, what I'm doing. And the majority of its work is opening boxes and cutting cardboard. So that's what we're going to do just a little bit of here, just to see how it performs. So I've got a nice piece of cardboard. I just, without any effort, it's slicing right through that. On the tip, on the base. Now that little bit of cardboard shouldn't have bothered anything. I've got one more piece, we might as well use it. There you have it. She certainly cuts cardboard. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if that affected our edge test any. Okay, we're back over to the table with the sharpness tester, and we're going to see if that little bit of cardboard had much effect on our edge. We got a 234 that time. Let's give it one more chance. Okay, 189. So really, as would be expected, that little bit of cardboard didn't have much of an effect. So we're going to take a quick look at the blade under the microscope. While I've got you here, so I'm just going to give you the details on the knife here. Overall length 7.81 inches, blade length of 3.47 inches. The handle is 4.34. Length, handle thickness 0.51. The blade thickness down near where it starts to drop on the tip is 0.12. Overall weight of the knife itself, 3.59 ounces. Now again, I got this off Amazon, and right now it's going for $46.50 on Amazon. Link will be in the description if you're interested. I've got this under the microscope, and we're just going to take a quick look at the edge to see what it looks like new. You can see some light scratch patterns. There's still some leftover material from the cardboard, but it is, as can be expected from the testing there, it is a nice smooth edge. No rolls, no dings, no dents. Can we make it better? Can we make it a mirror polished edge? Yeah, but again, this thing's primary purpose is going to be to cut cardboard and open boxes, so a little bit of a toothy edge is not a big deal. As it is right now, I'm happy with it. It looks very good out of the box. Okay, folks, there you have it. There's the Sencut S21007-1 from Sencut. Again, the budget line of WE and Civivi. $46.50 on Amazon right now. Overall opinion, feels good in my hand. The pocket clip does not really, I mean, I think I'm going to be able to use this. Blade seems sharp right out of the box. I'm going to put it in my pocket, and if I notice any changes, I'll let you know. So until next time, if you enjoyed this content, you want to see more like it, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the sharp new content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of knives or what kind of things you'd like to see me do in the future. Or tell me how bad I've done it so far. Comments are comments. We all learn by criticism and comment. So until next time, I'm Terry. This is Blade Whisperer. Stay sharp and listen to what the blades are saying.